video, I'm going to show you how to create your own call-out animation with motion tracking. If you want to make your vlogs more interesting, this video is for you. So, stay tuned. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the notification bell and click the subscribe button so you're always updated on our latest video releases. Let's start by opening Filmora 10. So in this project, I've got an aerial shot which I'll go ahead and drop in the timeline. First, I want to track the motorcycle. Let's find a starting position of the motorcycle and make sure that nothing covers the subject for the rest of the timeline. Next, it's time to apply motion tracking. Put the playhead at the first position of tracking. Click on the motion tracking tool from the icon on the timeline toolbar to open up the editing menu. The tracking box will appear in the video preview. Move and resize it to select the motorcycle. Once that's done, click on the Render Effect button, and Filmora will analyze the footage. Now, it's time to add the Callout title to follow the track. Let's head over to the Titles tab and choose a title animation under the Travel Adventures pack. Next, I'll need to arrange where I want this label to sit in relation to the motorcycle. Then, click on the Advanced button to open the Advanced Text Edit window. Select the Add Image icon to import one that I've already prepared. We can adjust the size and position in the preview window and change the duration at the timeline below. Click on the image clip. There are animation presets under the animation menu. All you need to do is double-click to apply. After I set up everything properly, let's go back to the motion tracking menu and choose our title from the drop-down menu in the motion tracking section. Then we finish the motion tracking. In the end, we just need to add some simple transitions to the clips. Then we're done with the video. Let's watch it back. It's pretty cool and so easy to do, right? Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have any questions or problems that affect your editing process, leave them in the comments below. I may answer your question in our next tutorial.